on the resume part, but Sushma is going to share some of the resumes tomorrow in the same group. Okay, and we shared some of the interview questions. We discussed how to go through interview questions, and share daily each person 2 questions, whatever they feel little understanding needs to be required. Okay, and you people wants to discuss, you can create some other session and you can discuss based on your comfortable time. Okay, I want to be someone to lead, to take the leadership skills, so that is also perfectly fine. Okay, and yep, let's go to subject. Okay, resume prep, interview questions, end of the batch. Okay, and Q&A. Okay, so this is what we discussed. Let's yeah, I want to give a project in another flavor. Okay, in a different flavor. Like, let's see like how it will be. Like, I mean, more we did not see the visualization formats the best. Okay, I want to give you the visualizations, like how you can format, how, I mean, there are a lot of formatting features are available, but I just want to show you one time so that you will be practice. Yeah, you still without giving those dimension to change that visuals different style, you can do it, but just I want to give you some different directions to understand them, and along with the DAX. Okay, we'll come to DAX advanced. I feel I did not cover that much. Okay, but definitely we'll come to DAX. But see, my intent was to not just to go and give one function, take one function and explore on that. No, I just want to come up with a scenario. I'm just looking for the right scenario to explain you. So that's where I'm just actually putting some time. Okay, so that is one thing. Yeah. So I don't want to waste the time. So let's jump in and then start creating a project. So see, and apart from this, I would like to give you the best practices. Okay, best practices, and perform everything will comes here from the. When I say best practices, it could be anything. Like let's say, let me add here. When I say best practices, it could be visuals or report view. You make visualization or report view. We call them two names. Okay, visualization. And basically if you see here, we have 3 panes. Okay, 3 panes along with the query editor, right? Only 4 parts, but each and every step is our crucial thing, like how better we can give based on our best practices. Okay, so that is the one. And model and Power Query Editor. So these 3 aspects I would like to cover, but yeah, so this we will discuss in the best practice. Okay, and yeah, data view, DAX, and Q&A, end of the session, interview questions, session. Okay, let's jump. Okay, so this time I would like to load one Excel. Okay, this Excel, I will share this Excel also with you. You can also play with this Excel. Okay, what exactly this has, let me show you. Let's that load. Okay, so we have a dim. Dim is nothing but dimensions. Okay, currency and customer, product, sales territory, and fact internet sales. These are the 4 tables that we have, and let's choose one by one. Okay, if you just select, nothing won't come, but you need to select this. Okay, this with allow tick, and then load or transform. Okay, but this time I would like to not go to this Power Query Editor, but let's do load this time. Okay, if anything is not wrong, if anything is not correct, then I can go back to the query editor and then change. So that was my intent. So I just loaded and then see like how the data looks like while I'm doing something. If it's not correct for my case, then I can go back and at any point of time I can edit the Power Query. Okay, though that is not an ideal one, but yeah, you can do that to save the time and all those stuff, because you are developing. Development is something and testing is something and moving production is something different. Okay, so yeah, so this time for the first time, as I told you, you need to create the measure table. Okay, and that should be on top. Okay, so how can I do that? Okay, just go to new table. Can I see new table here? No. Let's jump into here. Okay, now you can see new table. Okay, let's click on that, and you can create a number of measure tables. Okay, even measures also will have a wide varieties of measures, so you can create based on the group of those measures. Should not you need to mention all the measures in one group. So if you create hundreds of measures, then 100 will become a mess. So you can categorize them and you can use them. Okay, let's say I would like to give an ash, so that ash will come to the top. Ash measure table. Okay, for now I don't have any other category, so that I'm using this measure table word. Okay, and you can give without that also it will create, but let's say you can create or use generate use generate something like that, 1 comma 1 comma 1, something like that. Will that work? It's not working. So what is asking, if you open up return the table. Okay, that's fine. I mean, generate series, let's try this. Start value is 1. Okay, end value is also 1, and increment also should be 1. Yeah, so it's just created with one value. Okay, this is a measure table. I mean, just dummy. Okay, just I want to use generate series, so that it is, if you enter the value, it will just go on one by one, just an incremental what we call in the SQL, we have a identity column, right? Something like this one. Okay, but that is not our intent. Okay, just to give you this generate DAX function, so that it will just give you the one, and if you add more columns, it will go on one by one. But so anyway, we are not going to increment anything, right? So but yeah, let's go to the tables and see like model upgrade. Okay, and show all of them, and then hide the properties. Okay, hide them, so that you will get some good visualization. See, by default this has been created. What is this? This is star schema. Okay, because the fact is in between and surrounded by all the dimensions. So this is the fact, star schema, and our measure table is created. This is an orphan table, which means there is no relationship for this. Okay, any fact can come and reside here. Okay, so this is what star schema, and you can create the best visualization, and you can zoom it here. Okay, and whatever it is, and if you want to just make it see this is one of the window to fit the screen. So somewhere you might be seeing some measure somewhere here, and you don't know, and if you click this, it will just come out. Okay, this is one of the best option that everybody can see. Okay, so I mean, this will come to a default. I mean, what is this? I never use the reset layout. Okay, reset layout will come to all by default one. Okay, but which is not actually very frequent user. But yeah, if you want to be a skilled person, just showcase, use this best options. Okay, use as much as possible. Okay, so this is what the measure table, and these are the star schema. Now let's go to the data pane, and then just create, we can create the measures from here also, new measure. One second, guys. Okay, so this is the measure table. So let's jump into create some measures here. Okay. So before going to create a measure, I would like to create a table. Okay, by entering the data. Can we do that? Create the table to enter the data. How can I do that? See, I just created a dummy table using here. By creating this will actually ask you to create some DAX. But we have another way to create also a new table by entering data. So enter data will also create a new table. Okay, guys, you should not confuse. My intent is you to understand the things. So I can also create a measure table just like this. I create a measure and just click OK. But this time I would like to give a name, switch table. Okay, this is a switch table. Here, see, my requirement was just like this. I will create some visuals, and those visuals, when I want to I don't show all the numbers, it will show numbers, and all visuals wants to be changed to percentage, they can show the percentage. So that is the one kind of workaround. Okay, so I just want to show that. Okay, so that is the data type, is a column name, and here we have a number and numbers and percentage. The two values we have, and so let me show you and let them load. Okay, so you will get that table here. Okay, so here I just want to take this column. Okay, and by default it will select some table or something. Okay, if you highlight this, the table will be highlighted. So this is a table one, but I want to just go with a different one. Okay, slicer. Okay, let me show you one of the slicer features. Okay, and here if you come here and just see, there's an option. Okay, selection control. Okay, if you want to just on the single select, you cannot select multiple by clicking control. Even that is not enabled in the Power BI service. Okay, if you on this, but that's again different scenarios. Like when the user wants to use only single select, then you can use that. Okay, that is another option. But yeah, I just want to just see general one. Okay, there is one option, vertical. I think I've already told you, but I'm again giving this is one of the most important thing in terms of formatting. Okay, if you don't want, you can hide this header, because we know clearly. And if you really don't want to select all, that's also perfectly fine. Okay, and let's see like why this still coming in a vertical, horizontal. Yeah, see, this is how it will be, like numbers, percentage. I just want to see my all visuals one time in the number formatting, others will be in the percentage formatting. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, we can change a lot of things, but we'll come to this formatting in a later point of time. But I just created one table, and I mean two tables, one with measures from this model, and the other one is just to enter the data. Okay, from the visualization pane. Okay, so I just want to keep give you these two differentiations. Okay, yes, but anyway, in my project I want to use this. Okay, so that is the reason I just created them. And the next one is, let's go to data and just see territories. Okay, sales territory, or yeah, sales territory. If you see this, there are territory alternate key and territory key. Okay, if you see, both are actually not same. Okay, if you see, this is an incremental one, but as it is I mean, there are keys. Okay, maybe they might have created for different purpose. Okay, and this is a territory region, and this is a territory group. Okay, if you see North America, Europe, Pacific, and Europe. Okay, so these are the groups, and these are the regions, and these are the countries. Okay, but I want to give you some order. Customer wants. Yeah, any questions? Okay, my intent is to create some order. Okay, order of these countries. Okay, so how can I create the customer order? Okay, to create a new column, and give some conditions to that column so that it will come the custom order. Okay, how can we create? Just go to column and then create a new column, so that it will ask you to give the conditions. This is called a calculated column. Guys, I've already told you what is calculated column, and but again I'm reiterating so that you should be more confident. It's a kind of focus that I'm giving you again, so don't misuse this. So I just want to be focused. Okay, the column name. Okay, column name is country order. I just want to, this is a name. Okay, this is a user defined name. We can write anything. Okay, uh, but give a meaningful name. Okay, let's say for here I want to give a country order. Okay, that is the intent. And here, how can I give the order? I mean, just I would like to use the if condition. Okay, if if something is equal this, give this number. If something is equal to this, give this number. Here I would like to go with the this one here. What is this? Country. Okay, oh come on. Okay, country. If you just search for country, it will just come country. Oh no. If the country is equal, let's say the country is equal to what? Just take anything, Australia. Okay, Australia. Text should be double quotes. Okay, so that is the reason I'm just giving the Australia. Then what I want, the number should be 1. Otherwise give one more if statement. If country is equal to, again, country is equal what? This time Germany or United Kingdom. Let's use this. Okay, United. Spelling should be same. Okay, otherwise dumb. Then I want to. Otherwise, if country is equal to Canada, Kingdom is over, then come to Germany. Germany. Okay, is equal to this time 3. No, what is equal to comma? Okay, if this value is equal to this, then what? It is give the 3. Okay, and then put comma, and if again, open bracket and country. Okay, and is equal to this time Australia or Germany or France. Okay, let's give the France. The France, then what? 4, and then give if. Okay, Germany, France, Canada. Okay, if country name is equal to Canada. You use copy paste also. Every time you need to just type for country and select something, you just copy paste also. There's no hard and fast rule. Okay, this time 4, then 5, right? Then If what else? Okay, see, I should have choose this region name. Okay, yeah, let's quickly format. Okay, Canada. See, because if I give a number directly, I mean, there's no need to give because already it is there. But if I choose here, if you see Northwest, actually Northwest, Northeast, Central, Southeast, Southwest, all are US. So for US, I can give one order. Okay. So I mean that's what we can give. But yeah, let me do that. After five, then six. Okay. This time I would like to go with the region. Okay, if let's open the bracket. Region is equal to northeast or northwest. Northwest. Okay, then comma 6. I mean, it's just just giving you to make you the if statement more comfortable. That is my intent. Likewise, I'm just copying. Okay, I'll do one thing. This entirely copy paste. Enter northwest, northeast, and come to again. Every region should be this one: northeast, northwest, central, and central southwest. Okay, and southwest, southeast. And what else we have? Southeast Canada. Yeah. So again, I just want to yeah. If you want, yeah, we need to see. This is just close for this. If you close for that, it will be just closing for that. Likewise, I should close all of them. Okay, let's see. Ting, 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 and ting. It should be like this. Argument 3 if function is required. Okay, so else function. Okay, what is this if statement? Else else blank, something like that. Let's see. So search in Google. Statement tax. Yeah. So this is how it is. You can just go to the image and just see. Okay. Okay, no, not to come here. Just come to Stack Overflow or Community or yeah, just see this first. Microsoft DAX. If logical function, it will give you some examples also. Okay. Our example is just like see for if you can use switch function
If
also.
small capitals
That's fine. That's okay. Yeah. See if it's converted to blue, then that can identify. Okay.
capital.
That's okay. Capital
Okay.
small is fine. Okay, that's not an issue. Else condition I want actually. I want to use some else condition. Others, I mean, without else, I can say blank. Let's see. Boom. Okay. See, it's just come. I mean, I just how can I understand because it's if it is less than 500 low, otherwise high. So if it is just giving one condition, it is a otherwise condition, right? So these are all the condition, otherwise blank, something like this. Okay. and that's it. So this is a country order I just created. So what we have done so far, measure table, countries order and switch table. Okay. Now we can go and create some more measures. Okay. So where can I go and create a measure? Let's come here. We can create a new measure directly from here also. We used to do every time measures from here. Okay, in the column table or table tools and come to create a new measure. Okay, but this time I would like to create from here because just to want to make comfortable, like from where you can create a measure from, not only here, from you can also create from here new measure. So new measure can be created from three ways: one from here, one from a data pen, another from visualization. Anything is, I mean, everything is same. So it is just an option. Okay, you need to select a measure table and create. I mean, it's not mandatory that you need to select, but yeah, to just group all measures in one place, you can select that table and just create. Otherwise, it will create whatever by default selected, it will go and create there. And again, you need to go and select and change the home table. Okay, instead of that, directly go here and create. This is the best option. So I feel that's up to you. I mean, it's not mandatory that you should do that. Okay, let's say sales amount. Where can I see the sales amount? In the fact internet sales. Do we have any column? Let's see, like to do the sales amount. Okay, expand this, and you see there should be sales amount. Otherwise, if you don't find, just say search here for amount. See, there's the sales amount in the fact. See, this I just created a fact, right? So, but I just want to search. So I just want to show you the search also. And whatever the column you don't find, just first search and then go. If still not sure about the spelling or the word, just analyze the data, come here and all those stuff. But yeah, I have a sales amount in the fact internet sales. So let's use that. Okay, just click on the measure in the sum of sales amount. Directly I can type amount, also it will work. Okay, discount amount and sales amount. If I write sales also, it will come just like that. Sales amount, and just close. Okay, this is one measure, it's just created. Okay, I would like to create one more measure. Okay, this time I would like to see to just go out of it and filter out this. Okay, just create one measure. In this measure, I just want to see only United States because my customer wants to compare United States, results to other countries. So this should be a static value so that I can keep it and I can compare all other sales. Something like that. There could be a scenario. So if you want to create a specific measure for a specific country, I mean, again, my intent was to show you some other additional, DAX functions here. Okay. So to do that, actually, I've okay, sales amount for United States, USA. Okay, and use this is equal to. So this time I would like to do, I would like to use some filter function so that from total sales and get the US sales only. Filter. See, filters are one of the most important thing. Filtering, slicing. Okay, whatever you call it. Each visual will be filtered. Together. That is one of the other one, and you have a visual level filter and all page level filter and page level filter slices. Okay, and parameters, whatever you think, there are a lot of, but you can also filter inside the DAX. Okay, that also we have seen, but again we will see here now. Okay, but calculate this time. I would like to calculate based on the sales amount. Okay, sales amount, I've created a measure. Okay, that is a measure. If you type two letters and just tab enter, then it will go. Okay, and then here I can put some expressions. Okay, what is the expression? Selected, okay. Country selected is equal to USA. Country selected is equal to USA. Will this work? Let's see. United States, okay. The value should be under that the country. Let's say country. This one is equal to. I want the exact name, okay. Country is equal to. Let's see what is this. The country. You see, if this gives that, just close this, okay. I will come back that. So this is how you can at any point of time you just come out of this like that, okay. So in the country, if you have something word, it should not be something like this, okay. United States. I just want to see the spelling, okay. Okay, so that it should calculate. So let's see like what are all the measures that I've created. I just want to see the values in the visualization pane. Okay, one is the sales amount. Just click it, it will come. Okay, and you can create one more card and use this term USS. Okay, and this is one another card. Okay, now again, see, you can hide this, okay. At any point of time you don't want to see this is a meaningless, you can hide, okay. Hide from the, where is this? Yeah, hide, so that it will be hidden. Okay, so what else I can create? This time we have US sales and total sales and US sales, okay. That's perfectly okay, but I want to create one more measure, okay. Let's create a new measure. This time I want to see the percentage of USA sales, okay, because we want to see sometimes numbers and sometimes percentage, right? So this time for percentage and all, you just use this word, okay, percentage. This is one of the best practice. Write percentage. It actually give you not it's not an efficient word. That's what I can say. USA sales, percentage of sales USA, anything, okay, you can use anything. USA sales percentage, or but percentage, make it first. Yeah, any questions?
No, don't think.
Okay, use the divide now. Okay, basically to get a divide function, you should pass numerator and denominator, okay. And if you want anything in an alternate result, you can pass that condition. But what is our numerator? Numerator will be total sales, right? No, USA sales.
No, numerator is the USC sales.
USA sales, good.
Sales amount USA, right?
Yeah, sales amount USA, correct. And comma, this time denominator is actually sum of sales amount, okay? Sum of sales amount.
And already is there no total? Again, why
We have also have this sales amount, but this time I would like to show something little complex in terms of DAX. You can also do that. You can directly use this sales amount, I mean this by this into 100. That is simple thing, okay. But sometimes we need to validate, okay. If let me create that, okay. Why not to? I mean, we need to do the testing whether it's working properly or not, okay.
Okay.
Let's say sales amount. Close it into 100, something, right? We need to see whether that is working perfect or not. So how to do that? Just go to table, select the table and just select the country, okay, and then just use this percentage, okay. If you see 103%. Are they really working correct? How to check that? You need to check the sales amount also. Let's see. See, sales amount is this much, but what is the total sales? You can also use the USS sales. Okay, USS sales divided by total sales, right? So that's what it is. See, if you observe this, I mean, let me change this font size. Okay, just type the size. Okay, here, so that you will get size, and you can just change this to 16, something like that. Okay, and yeah, by default it changed. Okay, everywhere it's because you choose a size, and if you change one, and it will change everything. So that is one of the shortest way to do sizing. If you see that sales amount, it will be same because this is everything was same. But if you just select for United States, where is that? Yeah, this one. So 93, but something is wrong. If you see that sales amount is 93 and sales amount of USA is also something same, which is not correct, I feel. This is a total sales, right? Sales amount for USA, sales amount is a total. Total sales amount is actually this one. But yeah, actually it is
But
yeah, divided, right? So this is a total amount. So
yes,
this by this by this,
yes.
and you should get the percentage. What is the percentage? It's 100%. So what we can do is we can just take out this sales amount, and now see United States. Okay, so that's how we need to do some calculation. Okay, so what we can do is we'll come to this tomorrow, and we'll understand more clearly. But what I'll do, I'll just share with you and just come up and tell me that whether this percentage is working or not. Okay, whatever I just created this percentage sales, will that working perfectly or not? That is your homework. I'll just give this, and you just load that Excel file and open this, and or otherwise you can create your own and just verify. This is called unit testing. I'm just developed, and I'm giving it to testing team so that they have to test it properly. And how they can test it, and they will test for one country and just see whether that is properly coming this percentage or not. Okay, ideally it is not coming, but I just want to make you something like that. Okay,
Do
otherwise
we
you just
have number of sales like instead of sum of sales?
number of, yeah, you can do that, why not?
Yeah,
You can create the
yeah,
count.
correct.
We can do a lot of things, but yeah, here I just want to go in a something like a different scenario. I just want to verify you go with some real time stuff. I just trying to add a flavor to
Okay.
make you real time. So that's the intent, because we have already covered all of them, but again I'm just going in a different direction. Okay, so we have 2 more minutes now. So before that, I just want to show two more options. You can create multiple pages, right? That everybody knows, I guess. But again, we am going to show you one more option. This is hide option. Okay, if you hide this and you publish, if you open the PBX file, you can see this hide option. But if you hide and then publish, you cannot see there. This one you cannot see in the surface. So that is one of the tip that I would like to tell you. Okay, and one more thing, you can copy and paste, right? We have seen this copy paste. Let's say if I create one here and then paste, it will work. But will that work if I open a new PBX file and paste there? Anybody can guess? I just
Can
want
you
to see
repeat
this.
once again? I didn't get you.
So what I've done, I've just copied one visual from page 1, okay,
Uh-huh.
and pasted in the page 3.
Okay.
That's work perfectly. I mean, just a copy paste, like from Word, right? We copy from one word to another word, so something like that. It's working. But if I open up a new altogether new PBX file,
Mm-hmm.
and can I paste there? Will that work?
I think all the sources will not be there, right?
Perfect.
I think it shouldn't. It will not work.
You can paste it. Okay, you can paste it, but the problem is
But will it come as
Yeah,
a visual because
correct.
it
Yeah,
does not have the sources, right? I mean, data.
yeah. So that is the only thing. But if you have data, it will
Yeah,
work.
if we have data, I think we can.
Yeah, but actually this was recent fix. Previously, you do not have an option that. Okay, again you need to select the get the sources and then do development. Because why? What? How this is benefit? You have done lot of formattings, right? Change the header colors and this blah blah blah. You have done lot of things, and you want the same thing for testing purpose here. Okay, in this case again you need to do all the work formattings. Okay, what has done, what is this? If you miss any one of the formatting, then that goes waste, right? So I mean, this option was actually give you the lot of benefits. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow points were actually two questions from each, two interview questions. Okay, two interview questions. Okay, start with the easy or intermediate. Okay, easy or intermediate. Okay, and then we'll go little deeper. Okay, for a few
No
days.
worries. Hmm.
Yeah, question. Yeah, come on.
Power map, instead of asking, what question, power map.
Good. Yeah, we'll come to this. What is Power Map? See, Power Map was an old one. Okay, old word actually. This is an old word. Uh, how they use it to call is like uh, previously map was a little complex, so Power Query and uh, Power Pivot, pivot
Power.
and Power View and Power Map. There were four flavors. Okay, but actually what happened, so this Power Map itself coming to a visual part. Okay, so you see there were only one map, so that they used to feel that map is actually a latest feature, so that we can give you, and a PowerPay is advertised like that. So we have a four flavors, you can see this that. So they would actually make that map in a different flavor, but now maps has 3 to 4 ArcGIS. They recently they tied up with the ArcGIS map also. So you see map and field map and then shape map and ArcGIS map. So there are a lot of maps are available. So instead of saying Power Map, they simply remove this Power Map option. Okay, if they ask anything about Power Map, you can tell them that now that become a visual. I mean, there are a lot of map visuals, general map and field map and shape map and ArcGIS map. There are four types of maps are available. Okay, so there will be a difference. I think we have seen. Let me close this. This is an untitled one. I just want to show a difference for that. Okay. Okay. So Power Map is no more now. Okay, that is a part of visualizations, visuals. Okay, but if you see country, if you select the country, search for country. Okay, sales territory country, and just select this. By default it will give you the country, because as I told you, Power BI is a smart tool. Okay, what happened? Okay, this is a Bing map. Okay, Google has Google Map. Bing, I mean Microsoft has a Bing search. Okay, search engine is a Bing, and the map is also Bing map. Recently, a few days back, ISRO introduced our Indian map also with Trip India private company. It's collaborated with Trip India, and they have also created the our own map, our own navigation map. Okay, so again, this is the country, and if you change it to this, you will see in a different flavor. Okay, filled with area map. Okay, and if you click this, you will come up with a different US map. Okay, and ArcGIS is one another visual. Do we have this? See, this is the one. This is something a third party actually they tied up. Power BI and Microsoft has tied up. with this. Okay, so this is something, you can see the borders. Let's say you have a company, and you know the what do you call this one, longitude, latitude. It will just shape that map, shape your company size also, something like that. Okay, and that is the beauty of ArcGIS. Any doubts? Any questions? Suresh, was that clear? So if the straight answer is Power Map is no more. If they ask the question, what is Power Map? Power Map was a feature in the early stage, but now the Power Map become a visuals, and there are four types of visuals. Okay, map, field map. Okay, what is a shape map, and ArcGIS map. You can tell them that like this. Different use cases we use the different maps. Clear? If you want some extra session on the map, yes, we'll cover that. Different formattings in the map. Just try to explore the different maps, and still you feel something is not available. Just after selecting this map, and go here and just search for these options. Okay, layers, general. What is the difference between this and that? You have to focus. Time is not valuable. Focus is the most valuable thing. So you just focus it and try to create four different same countries. Just copy paste, select this and copy paste. Okay, it will come just like that. Why it's not coming? C, Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V is not working. Control C, Control V. Okay, I think I have not pressed properly. Okay, this time this is an ArcGIS map, and this time it is a normal map. Okay, and you just compare. Okay, what are the options it has, and what are all the options it has. I think both are having same or not, and just check the formatting options here, and check the formatting options here. Okay, so I mean, I have not selected anything. Yeah, just select, let's check this here. So something differ, definitely it will be differ. Okay, what are all the things differ, and how you are focusing is matters. Clear? I think it is not that much useful, but yeah, I don't know, when interviewer might be very much interested to work with the maps, then he might be focused on the maps. But I did not, get that kind of experience so far. But yes, if you really want to experience this, then try this. Okay, create one more visual. Okay, copy paste. Okay, copy, Control C, Control V, and this time. Okay, just select this, make it a little smaller, and this time we have used a field map. Did we use this? No. So this is a field map. See, you understand the difference between all the maps now, how they are looks different. See, for the first glance itself you feel that there is a difference. Okay, but again, if you go into see and see the formatting options, you will see a lot of difference. Okay, and this is one another, and we have one more also. I think this is only for US. Okay, it will ask you to set actually in the formatting. Okay, if you select US countries, let's see country again. See, by default it's giving. So that's what, you just go to the formatting options, just put some efforts, and again I'll also come back and just see like how can I give you the best to understand between these three. But I think see, when I select something, all viewers are getting interacted apart from this. Okay, Germany, see, Germany is highlighted here, it's highlighted something different, here it's highlighted something different. Okay, see, these two are the Bing maps only. This is also Bing map, this is also Bing map. See, powered by Bing, powered by Bing. but this is a third-party one powered by ArcGIS, the company. But Microsoft, buy that company. It was a recent merge, I guess. Okay, so that's it. Just check the formatting options. If you still not, if you still not clear with those formatting options, I will cover in one other session. So just save this. Just reminding you, we tried copy pasting on visual to another page and another PBX file, and use this hide option. Okay, you know the renaming option, right? Just like an Excel sheet, this one, renaming, delete, duplicate. We have done this duplicate also, rename also, delete also, but I just show you the hide option. Okay, and apart from that, we tried to create a new measure table, and we created two manual tables by entering data and through DAX. Okay, through DAX we have used this measure table. Okay, and we use this numbers and percentage. We will finish this project maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, I'll try to show as many as possible cases. Okay, so what is the date today? Any guess? 23, most powerful number as per numerology. Day 23. Safe. What is the name? What is, we are doing sales. Okay, sales analysis. Sales analysis. Okay, by country, something like that. Okay, by country, something, whatever it is you feel. PBX file. Okay, so it's saving, done, saved, just closing it. Okay, do you want the screenshot snipping tool? Taking screenshot is one another thing, but yeah. So what happened? Try snip sketch. What is this? I don't know. I think it's recently come up with this. Okay, what is this? I want to give you here in this chart and add the PBX file. What else you want? The source file, right? Okay. Okay. So tomorrow, one more was that just we discussed, right? So what was that? I don't want anything something like that. Okay. Tomorrow resume. Who is going to share the resume? We'll discuss that. Okay. One of the most important topic was tell about yourself. Okay, this will, I think, give you the best, and I will request Sushma to add if something needs to be flavored, then we can take that in a different direction. But yeah, just start with my way of telling that art of tell about yourself, and then we'll see like how we can make the best. Okay. Okay, so we can wind up today from here. Okay, and then close. Thanks, guys. If you don't have any questions, I'm just closing this. Stop recording.